Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Atrika. Better take out your English cursive writing book and tell me till which page number you have done.
Okay, ma'am. Give me a minute to bring my book. Ma'am, I have done till the page number.
Akshat, beta, till what page number have you done cursive writing? Open your
Ma'am, till 17.
till 17. Okay. Start doing.
Ma'am, animal fact 5.
Yes?
Ma'am, I have to start from page number 18.
Yes. Till wherever you have done, just start from the very next page. Akshat, take out your English creative writing book. Sorry, not creative, cursive writing.
Ma'am, cursive. Ma'am, what we will do today?
Beta, you will do cursive writing today. Take out your book, cursive writing book, until whatever page number you have done, start doing after that.
Ma'am, after doing cursive writing, ma'am, like in our previous class, we are going to play some games.
Yes, we played a game. You liked it. You want to play some kind of a same game?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just try to do 3 pages, and after doing 3 pages, we'll play a game.
Okay, ma'am, I have completed 1 page.
Yes, do 2 more. In the leftover time, we'll play game. Vivek, beta, start doing cursive writing. Take out your cursive writing book and start doing. Okay, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Abhi, take out your cursive writing book, beta. Start doing. You have to do 3.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you're muted.
I just said you have to do 3 pages today.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice, very good.
I have done. Ma'am, I am doing the last page. I am only half page left.
Okay, hurry up and finish. Then we'll start with our game.
I have done 3 pages. Ma'am, which game we wanna play?
Just wait. Let the suspense be.
Now, can we do an activity?
Wait, beta, wait. Let everybody finish. At 12:20, we are going to start with the game. Okay, first
Ma'am,
20
done.
minutes. First 20
Okay, ma'am.
minutes for cursive writing. Next 20 minutes for playing game. 3 more minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
Just wait for 3 more minutes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have also done.
Again, let's do some words which are jumbled words and then you have to unjumble them. Okay? Let me
Ma'am.
see who does it first.
Ma'am, on which theme? Like in a previous class, you
Which
do on the
theme?
theme.
Okay, wait, let me share screen, then I'll see it is on which theme. Must know words. Beta, they're not based on any theme.
Okay, ma'am.
No particular theme, but just very general words.
Ma'am, how we will understand that which word is this?
You will understand. They're very simple. Some of you have to use, actually, you have to do brainstorming for some, but few are very visible.
Ma'am, I found. Ma'am, sixth one is no. Ma'am, I found one.
Beta, you don't have to tell. Vivek, just do it on a piece of paper. And then as you complete, just tell it to me. Or you can directly write in the chat box also. Right? Send your messages directly to me. That will be better.
Okay, ma'am. Mm, Uh, ma'am, what is the first one?
First one is the most difficult word. It is the most difficult. It will take maximum time. But I will not tell. Try to do it yourself. I can see
Ma'am,
4
do you
words.
know?
4 words from Adrika. No, Adrika, 6,
Ma'am,
number
see.
6, what you have written.
Ma'am, we have to send you personally.
Yes, send it
Ma'am,
directly in the chat box.
Ma'am, the number 6, first
Yes,
one I
yes.
have written.
I got
have
it.
added
Adrika has
one
solved
word.
3 words, children. Adrika has solved 3 words. What about others? No one else has.
Ma'am, can you zoom?
Can I zoom? Okay, take.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have sent it what? Now I can't find more words.
Very good. Avni has also found 3 words. Very nice, Avni. Okay, the first word, I'll give you a hint. It starts with letter E. The second word starts with letter T. Now try to do. Just take a copy and pencil in your hand and try to write it in a different order. Like suppose the first one is written EUNOHEG. Just write it other way around. I told you the hint. E is the first letter. So now try to
Yes,
jumble it
ma'am,
in a different order.
Ma'am, I know it's second one.
Very good. Very nice. See, this is how you do. The tip to do it is you can also jumble
Ma'am,
them
what
in a
is the
different
first
order.
word of second one?
What, Arushi?
Ma'am, what is the first word of second one?
First word of second one is T. T for toy.
T. T.
Mute yourself, Arushi. You're telling the answer to everyone. Very good. Avni has done the second one also. Very nice.
Ma'am, I can't understand.
Okay, the second one, I'll give you the second hint. The word is TH. Now try to do. It starts from TH.
Ma'am, I'm sending you the
Ma'am, I
second
found
one.
it.
Yes, you found it. Okay, what about the third word? Very good. Avni has solved which word? She has solved the fourth word also. Vivek Kumar, very good. You have solved the second word. What about the third word? What is the third word? No one has sent it. It is very easy.
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am, can you give a hint for the third one?
Yes, the word starts with S. SH.
Ma'am, I found it.
Children, try to change the order of alphabets. You will easily solve it. Write it in as many different ways as you can. You are going to get the word
Ma'am,
immediately.
I found the fourth one also.
Very nice. Very
Ma'am, I
nice.
found the third one.
Third one found. Very good. Yes, Adrika has found. Avni has found. Vivek has found. Adrika has found the fourth word also. Now, sixth word is very easy. What is the fifth word? Where is the fifth word? Okay, fifth word, who is going to take?
Ma'am, I have already sent the
Yes,
fifth word.
Adrika has already sent. Fifth is also easy. Sixth is also easy. Then what is the seventh word? I will not give the hint for seventh word because I have told you the tip. Now, using that tip, try to solve it yourself. The trick is write it in a different order.
Ma'am, I found the ninth one also.
Ma'am, I found the seventh one. Ma'am, can you scroll it?
You want me to scroll it?
Ma'am, I send you the seventh one.
Seventh one, very good. Who has sent? Arushi Gangwar has sent the seventh one. Very nice.
Ma'am, can you give the hint for the
Vivek has sent the 10th one. Very good. What is the 9th one and 8th one?
Ma'am, I have sent the ninth one.
Ma'am, I
Very
have
good.
sent.
Ma'am, can you give the hint for seventh and eighth one, please?
Atrika, beta, try the trick that I have told. First, try the trick.
I'm trying.
Okay, the first word is BE.
What, ma'am?
First two
Ma'am, can you
alphabets
scroll it?
are the first two alphabets of the seventh word are B and E. Vivek, beta, ninth word that you have given as answer is wrong. That is not the correct word.
Ma'am, can you scroll it?
Scroll it to
top.
which number?
Ma'am, first number.
Okay, take. Mute yourself, Pooja. Mute yourself, Arushi.
Ma'am, I found the ninth one.
Very good, very nice. Who has found the eighth word?
Ma'am, I have sent the ninth one in the chat box.
Yes, correct. Now, which all words are left? Number 1, number 8, and any other word is left? Number 7.
Ma'am, showing.
Ma'am, I can't found. Ma'am, I can't found 3 words.
What?
So I'm saying that ma'am, I can't.
Okay, let me do the first one. Can I tell the answer of the first one?
Yes, ma'am.
The answer is
ma'am.
enough. 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 The second one is those.
Yes, ma'am.
Third is should. Then the
Ma'am, the
next
fourth
Yes,
one
ma'am.
is could.
could.
Ma'am, could.
Ma'am, the fifth one is new.
Yes.
Ma'am, the fifth one is new.
Yes. New. Then sixth one
Ma'am,
is
the sixth one is no.
no. Very good. Seventh one is believe. BELIEVE. Believe.
Yes, ma'am, believe.
The eighth one is answer. ANSWER.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the ninth one is sheep.
The ninth one is sheet.
And ma'am, the 10th one is tell.
Yes. Okay, since you have done it very fast, let me.
Ma'am, can I tell the fourth one?
Can I?
Tell the fourth one.
Yes, tell the fourth one, beta.
Ma'am, the fourth one is could.
Yes, could. Very good. Now you want
Ma'am,
one more
means
sheet? Do you want one more sheet like this?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am, please give us another worksheet.
Another worksheet. Okay, chalo. I'll give you a very easy worksheet once again. Unscramble these words. So what you have to do, rearrange the words to frame meaningful sentences. Okay.
I can't see that worksheet.
Yes, beta, you can't see because I have not shared it yet. Give me a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Now see. Can you see it now? Unscrambled the jumbled words. Rearrange the words
Yes,
into
ma'am.
meaningful sentences. Everybody type in the chat box. Very easy. It is actually class 3 or class 2 level. It is not your level.
Ma'am, we have to also send it personally to you.
Yes, beta, you can type the answers in the chat box.
Ma'am, please scroll down a bit.
I think all the sentences have been done.
Ma'am, I have sent you all the 5 sentences.
Yes. These were very easy, huh?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
ma'am, please scroll it till up.
Scroll up. Okay, take.
Ma'am, please show the D1, D and E1. Bitter gods are bitter.
Ma'am, someone's mic is on.
Whose mic is on, beta? Please mute yourself. Okay, the first sentence is everybody. What is the
Ma'am,
first?
may I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, March comes after April.
Really? March comes after April or April comes
Sorry.
after March?
Sorry, ma'am, April comes after March.
Okay. Then, second one, Arushi, what is the second?
Ma'am, high jump very he can jump very high.
Very good. Vivek Kumar, what is the third sentence?
Ma'am, our students are listening carefully.
Very good. Avni, what is the next sentence?
Ma'am, the milk is hot.
Very good. Adrika, what is the fifth one?
Ma'am, bitter gods are bitter.
Yes, bitter gods are bitter. Very nice. Now do this one. Next one. It is little better than the previous one.
Ma'am, I have done first.
Ma'am, please scroll down a bit. Ma'am, I have sent you all the 5 sentences.
Very
Ma'am,
nice,
please
very quick.
Ma'am, I have also sent all the 5 answers.
Okay, very nice. Now, next week, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share very nice activities. Okay. We are not going to do cursive writing. We're going to do these kind of activities according to your level. These 2 sheets were instant sheets
Okay.
that I found right now. So this is like below your level. You people are smart enough. These are simple sentences to frame. Next week, I'm going to find out actually what is your level. Okay, and we are going to
Okay,
play
ma'am.
different games. Yes?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have sent it all 5.
You have sent all 5. Yes, I can see, children. You have sent all of them. The first one is,
Ma'am, can I tell?
okay, Vivek will tell. What is the first one?
The first one is I want a burger.
Okay, second one, Arushi. Yes, Arushi is not there. Okay, Atrika.
May I?
Yes.
Ma'am, the second one is he in rush? Ma'am, the answer will be he is in a rush.
Very good. Next, Avni.
Ma'am, this is a chicken wing.
Very good. Then fourth one, Vivek.
Ma'am, 1 minute. No, ma'am. What is an earthquake?
Very good. Next one, Adrika.
Okay, ma'am. I have got an iPhone.
I have got an iPhone. Very nice. Very easy. These were also very simple, isn't it? Now do one thing.
Yes.
All of you click picture of your cursive writing and send it on the class group. Let me see how you have done.
But ma'am, the phone is not available right now.
Your phone is not available. Rest of the students can click pictures and send on the class group.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, less than a minute is left. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. You too have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Ma'am, I have sent it.
Very good. Very nice.